In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a portfolio collection on Wix. If you are organizing your portfolio and want to remove a collection you no longer need, Wix makes the process pretty simple. Before you begin, it's helpful to understand what deleting a collection actually does. A collection is basically a grouping of projects inside your portfolio. When you delete it, you are only removing that grouping, not the individual projects themselves. Those projects will still remain available in your overall projects list, which is useful if you want to reorganize them later. To get started, go to your site's dashboard from the Wix homepage. This is the main control area where you can manage your website settings, content, and portfolio items. Once you are in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You will see a section labeled Portfolio. Hover over that and then click on Collections. This will open the area where all of your existing portfolio collections are listed. Now take a moment to find the specific collection you want to remove. If you have several collections, it's a good idea to double-check the name before deleting anything, especially since this action is permanent. Once you've located the correct collection, move your cursor over it. When you hover over the collection, a 3 dots icon will appear. This is the More Actions menu where Wix places extra options for managing that collection. Click on the 3 dots and from the menu that appears, select Delete. After that, Wix will show you a confirmation pop-up. This extra confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental deletion. So read it carefully and make sure you've selected the right collection. If you are sure, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once confirmed, the collection will be removed from your portfolio collections list. Just remember, this only deletes the collection itself. It does not delete the actual projects inside it. Those projects will still exist in your overall projects list, so you can reuse them. Move them into other collections or leave them as they are. This is especially helpful if you are cleaning up your site structure without wanting to lose the work you've already uploaded. It's a quick way to simplify your portfolio and keep everything organized. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.